After examples of solid, liquid and gases, today I will discuss properties of matter. Some common properties of matter are appearance and feel. Materials are differ from each other by their appearance, either lustrous, either dull, and their feel smooth or rough. For example, if you touch a metal generally have a luster appearance. Polished piece of marble has a smooth surface. दूसरा है transparency. The property of a material to allow light to pass through it is called transparency. On the basis of transparency property, materials are classified into three types. Transparent. Material which allow light to pass through it easily is called transparent. For example, glass, pure water, etc. Translucent. Material which partially allow light to pass through them is called translucent. Oily paper, etc. Opaque. Materials which do not allow light to pass through them called opaque. Example, wood, thick plastic sheet, etc. Number third property, floating or sink. Material which are lighter than water generally float on liquid. For example, ice, paper, plastic, etc. And materials which are heavier than water generally sink. Stone, pebbles, etc. Kerosene. Kerosene is lighter than water, and that is why अगर तुम्हारे लालटेन में कम तेल हो, you add some water. The less amount of K oil is float on the water. वो फ्लोट करने लगेगा और फिर तुम्हारा लालटेन जलने लगा. Third property is diffusion. Movement of different particles among each other so that they become mixed uniformly is called diffusion. Solids do not diffuse with each other due to their particles are tightly packed. Solid जो है वो diffuse नहीं करेगा. Why? Because the particles of solid is tightly packed and they cannot move. Liquid diffuse each other slowly because particles in a liquid are not so free, and gases diffuse fastly because particles in a gas are free. Number E, dissolution. Mixing of one substance completely with another substance to give a clear solution. We say it has dissolved. This property by which a substance dissolves in another substance is called dissolution. सब्सटेंस जब डिजॉल्व कर देता है एक सब्सटेंस दूसरे सब्सटेंस में डिजॉल्व कर जाता है, मिल जाता है, मिक्सअप कर जाता है, कंप्लीटली मिक्सअप होके एक सॉल्यूशन बनाया, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड डिजोल्यूशन. Dissolution of solid. Some solid dissolve in liquid water and some do not dissolve. You take three test tube. One test tube, first test tube contain salt with water. Other test tube contains sugar, water, and third contains sand and water. You state them, these three test tube. We will see that first test tube, salt is totally dissolved in water. Second test tube, sugar is totally dissolved in water, but sand do not dissolve in water. So this is the character of a matter. Some are dissolved in water, some are not dissolved. Thank you, and next day I discuss other property of matter.